In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix mirror and inverted video calls in WhatsApp. So for that, first of all, you have to long press on your WhatsApp application. Then you will find an option like this, app info. So now you have to click on it. Then you will have an interface like this. So over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to click on it. And then you will find an option called clear cache right here. So now you have to clear cache and then go back. And then you will find an option called force stop. So now you have to click on it and force stop your WhatsApp application. So after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. And now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use. And then you have to click on a search bar and search for WhatsApp. So after that you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And after doing these things, now if you call on WhatsApp someone, a video call, so your problem will be solved. So that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.